Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is all about hair extensions. A lot of people think that using hair extensions is very difficult a task, but it's not true in fact. I recently came across this online brand called Ooma Hair, which sells premium real human hair clip-in extensions. Now it's very important to invest in high quality hair extensions. As a matter of fact, the better the quality of your extensions, the more natural they appear. The one I'm using are called the 7-layer Volumizer extensions from Ooma Hair, and I got them from their official website. Putting hair extensions is the easiest and quickest way to add in texture, volume and length to your natural hair. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive salons for styling. Just get yourself a pair of Ooma hair extensions and you can get an instant fabulous look. Now, using these extensions also add in the advantage of saving your hair from a lot of chemicals and damage because you don't really end up putting a lot of things on your hair. Ooma Hair offers the best hair extensions because they're relatively much more thicker and volumizing, and they also do free color matching according to your requirement. Now, I'll be demonstrating the application. Start by parting your hair at the crown section and secure with the help of a clip or an elastic on the top. Now unclip the 5 clips on the extensions and align the clips along the parted area. Now just begin snapping the clips one by one, starting from the middle in the top row, going towards the corners and then followed by the bottom row. Then just remove the clip on the crown section and comb through together. When it comes to styling, you can try out multiple hairstyles. Like here, I tried out straightening the extensions and my hair both separately and repeating the same process of application. This created a completely different hairstyle altogether. Now alongside, buns and ponytails can also be experimented. In these cases, you first tie your hair and then attach the extensions on top. And when it comes to taking them off, just unclip them and sweep them down off the natural hair. So that's it with today's video. I have a very exciting giveaway in partnership with Ooma Hair. We are giving away a pair of hair extensions worth 7,000 and some highlights. All the rules will be in the information box below, so do check that out. I'll see you super soon. Bye.